Today we are taking a look at this multi-channel dash cam. This was sent to me by the brand so I could show you everything that is inside. So let's get right into it. So right off the bat here, it's a 1080p front. You got 4 channels, Wi-Fi and free app. You get 128 GB storage. You get 360 full grade GPS, 8 IR LED lights, and a 3.8 IPS screen. So let's open this up. I'll show you exactly what is inside right over here. So we got this user manual right here, super helpful. Love the fact that it's colored. It has everything you need to set this up. We got some cards over here. This is how it comes packaged right over here. So this is the main unit itself right over here. Really like how they have everything is covered. So all your lenses here have a little piece of plastic over it to protect it, so you don't have to worry about that. This is what the backside looks like right here. A little reminder. These are going to be all your buttons. This is going to be how you turn on, how you play, your menu, everything you need to know right over there. The next part right over here is going to be the bags. So inside these bags here, so right over here, this is going to be your how you can keep it charged and running. So this is going to be this is going to put this in your cigarette lighter or whatever you have. You got these clips right over here. This is to pop out the memory card. They even give you the mounts, which is really, really nice. So that you can just stick those and run the wires through. And then this one here is going to be your other camera. So you'll see right over here, this camera comes right over here. So nice protective film on that as well. We have the sticky right back here, and we got a nice long cord as well, which is great. This is the wire feeder, so you'll use this to kind of get up in to your car and get the wires in. And then we have this mount as well. A lot of great stuff that comes in here. It was really packaged well. You get a ton of stuff. So many great features on this. You got the 24/7 parking mode, a G sensor, the front, the rear, the inside cam, everything. So if you are looking for a dash cam for Uber or whatever you're doing, or just want to get great content, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.